Do you need help with communication, accessibility, in sign language? My name is JB. My name sign JB. Like an IB. JB, JB, JB. I am self ASL educator. Is the person educator. First thing you need to learn that ASL is English for communication purpose.